Hello, my fellow travelers. This is travel tip number 4. This is my all-time favorite tip. These gum containers are perfect for traveling. Once you finish with the gum, you can use them for many things. This one I use for my lens cleaner, some nail clippers, a little nail file, some hair clips, hair ties and a rubber band, my sharpener for my makeup, earplugs. Okay, and this, tampons, perfect for your period, but they are also perfect for nosebleeds. As you all know, I'm a flight attendant. Frequently, the pressure on the airplanes cause nosebleeds. Not for me, but for passengers. So I do carry these with me to give to the passengers if they have a nosebleed and want to use them. So that's actually another tip. Perfect for nosebleeds, tampons. I know it sounds weird, but hey, it works. So there we go, all in a nice little package. And I put that in my carry-on bag and take that with me. And also remember, guys, road trips. Perfect for road trips. Can be a little first aid kit. You can put some Band-Aids in there. Band-Aids. You got some Tylenol you can put in there. You can put in your dental flossers. It holds a lot. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it does hold a lot. Perfect. That I carry with me all the time on my flights. They are smaller ones that you can use for Q-tips. I use it for my motion sickness patches, which again, I don't need most of the time unless there's lots of turbulence, but sometimes passengers need them. And then also for your little panty liners. Perfect. See? Perfect. I take all these with me every trip. Thanks, guys. Safe travels. Bye-bye.